Shanty's making she roti here and she tawa. See how nice it coming out, so it's swelling. Watch it, how beautiful and nice. Good day everybody, welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. So I'm needing this flour here for my Dhalpuri, right? So this is adding some baking powder into this flour, some salt to taste, and some sugar inside here. And this is my cookie here, adding a piece of my ham. And this is a piece of cookie here. So I'm going to knead up this here now. This is for the Dhalpuri flour. So everything has to be inside of here. Wonderful. This is the water for the Dhalpuri flour I need in here. So let's see, Shanty has she tradition long time basting, eh? She really long time basting here, she needing she flour in. This is how we know it from the long time days. So you might see a little namal and thing come out on it. That is how the long time people used to have the basting. So this is how Shanty needing she flour here for she dal. How beautiful this flour will come out, eh? So rub out your flour for me basting. Nice long time basting, how is it? So. Everything come out from the basting. Look at how clean the basting get back. See that? Touch that. Really long time basting. Adding a little flour in this. Back to my flour here from the roti. So when you're kneading your flour, you can't over knead it too much for your Dhalpuri. It will come out make your roti be really stiff and hard. You have to knead it in a nice way that you can get it for your roti. Anytime the flour too stiff, you make your Dhalpuri and it come down, and as the breeze take it, it gets real hard. Because why you need the flour too much. So you see how Shanty flour need fluffy and nice. Watch at it. Fluffy. Nothing going into this now. So this stay in here to make my roti. So I take it off back the basin now. I have put in no weight on it. Very slight. And you roll it in. Slide. And ball him there now. So you drop him here. So he's going to raise there now. Oh, this is the wonderful peas we have here. Grind already. Have everything in it. So this is the flour I had need here just now and surely. Let me take a look at the flour. Right. You see how beautiful it is, how nice. Look at it. Watch at that. Right? So this is to make the Dhalpuri flour. So we're going to do this here now. Right? So we're going to make some small one. We don't want a big one. Right? So this is Shanty. Hold your flour like this. Nice, you cannot play up too much with your flour and over roll it. Same thing I was saying, your Dhalpuri is going to get too stiff. So this is Shanty adding some flour inside of here. So all you maybe want to know the meaning why she putting that flour in there. Now the flour going in inside of there just for the roti not to get, for the dal to spread. So this is how you roll it. So put it in like this. Seal them. Right, so there's the Dhalpuri flour here. The tawa here to make the Dhalpuri. So this is tawa going to hot there with that heat, and you're going to see my Dhalpuri there. The flour going to the make your Dhalpuri. So Shanty just squeeze it now, for she dal to go right around the roti. I'm going to the ladies here now. How nice this is. Now I am making no big 18-inch dhalpuri this morning. I am making some small, nice little one. Nice for you to eat whole. Got it bust already. Just trying to get the air out. We'll be there now. Ends. So this is just going in here. Right, so Shanty put she dabila. She hangs she roti like this and she go in with it. Right? So I add in a little oil on top of the shower. Okay. So this roti, you all have seen how wonderful this Chulha, making this dhalpuri them nice, straight from the Chulha. Shanty's making two roti here and the tawa. See how nice it coming out, so it's swelling. Watch it, how beautiful and nice. Nice, so it's swelling, look at that. Very nice. Smell really, really nice. Look at it. Look at that. Jiggly. How beautiful. Right. You can't leave it too long, so it's well nice. Look at it. Right, that's there.